Hey guys, if you're new in this channel, I am Rosa and today I'm going to show you guys this very soft glam kind of look using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. As I always say, it is absolutely free. Support me. Tell me in the comment section how you found the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like it, don't forget to share the video. Just let me know your thoughts. What do you want to see next? If you are liking what I'm putting forward, and yes, if you want to see this look, keep watching the video. So as you guys can guess from the title of the video, that today I'm going to show you guys a very bronzy neutral look using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I know this is a very colorful palette and many people are bothered with these colors, or they are not really confident with using colors, or they are just indulging themselves in eyeshadows. So I'll show a very neutral and bronzy look so that they can still use this palette while getting comfortable with the colors and slowly incorporating them. So without further ado, let's get started. So my base is already done. I have used the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation and now I'm going to use the K-Beauty setting powder. I'm going to set my under eyes and I'm going to use it to bake my face too, so that if there is any fallout, we can brush it off later on. I am using it in the shade Vanilla and I'm going to link all the products in the description. So this is how it basically looks like, and I'm going to use a beauty blender and just apply it under my eyes and on my contour areas. So first I'm going to use it under my eyes. I use a generous amount because I don't know how much of a fallout there is going to be. Although I have used the Mercury Retrograde palette before too, I also have another video with it. I did another look with the palette. If you want, you can check that video out. I will link it in the description. It doesn't have much of a fallout and the shades are extremely pigmented, so that is not a problem, but still I don't want any risks, because if the fallout gets messy, the whole makeup would turn out to be messy. So I'm using a generous amount. Also, I wanted to mention that none of the products were sent to me by PR. All of them are bought with my own money. So all of the reviews that I give about the products, whatever I say about the products, are my own personal opinions. There is no filter. I don't get paid for saying anything, or saying if I like a product or dislike a product. All of these are my own authentic reviews, my honest opinions on the products that I'm using. So I am done setting my face with the powder. Now we are going to go ahead with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to zoom in, you guys, so that you can see what am I doing exactly. So you guys are fairly zoomed in now. So first I am going to go with this shade right here. This is called Crashed, and I'm going to take my PAC 102 brush, and this is what I'm going to use as my transition shade in my crease area, my outer crease. So I'm going to dip the brush over here. So the brush has picked up a fair amount of product. It's this shade Crash. So now I'm going to stipple it all over my crease area. So I'm going to keep this look very simple and soft. As I said, it is going to be a soft glam look, a very beginner friendly neutral look. So I'm done with blending out Crash. Now I'm going to use the shade Karma to add a little bit of depth, and I'm going to use it in the outer corner over here and blend it with Crash. For this I'm going to take my pack 273 brush. So I'm going to take Karma and use it in the outer area and blend it slowly with Crash. As you guys can see, a little bit depth has been created, but still I want to darken it a bit more, so I'm going to use with the shade Vortex. It is a very insanely dark purple shade, but it's going to look very good. Dust the excess, and this palette doesn't have much fallout at all. I think this is my favorite palette by Huda Beauty. That whatever they have put out so far, this is my favorite palette. So as you can see, that extra dimension is being built with the help of Vortex. I like to take it out a little bit to give my eyes a bit of a foxy appearance. So now I think it is deep enough, and I really like the depth right now. So now we are going to add the glam factor. So I'm going to use this shimmer over here. I'm so sorry, it's so reflective. This shimmer over here, it is called Galaxy, and I'm going to cut my crease and use it on my lid. So let us cut our crease. I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to link the shade in the description. So I'm using my concealer brush. So I have tried to make it as clean as possible, and now I'm going to use the shade Galaxy. So first I'm going to wet this flat brush with my setting spray in order to avoid fallout, and also so that the brush can pick up the shimmer shade better. The color payoff would be better if the brush is wet. So now with this wet brush I'm going to pick Galaxy up. So now I'm stippling the shade Galaxy all over the lid. There is a bit of fallout as you can see, but we will dust it off as I have already used a setting spray. So we are basically done with this eye. Now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, then we'll finish this eye, apply mascara, do a baby wing, and then I'll show you guys the finished eye look. So for the lower lash line I am again going to take Crash and smoke it out basically. Now I'm also going to take a little bit of Vortex with the same brush and just stipple it over here just to increase the depth a little bit. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and do the other eye, and then we'll finish off both the eyes with eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so now I'm done with both the eyes. I have also applied a little bit of black kohl in my lower waterline and lower lash line, and now I'm going to apply a baby wing with the help of a black eyeliner, and then we're going to curl our lashes. So for the eyeliner I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner in the shade black. I'm only going to add a simple baby wing because we don't want it to look way too glam, otherwise there's no point in calling it a soft glam. So I'm going to only add a little bit of baby wing. So I'm not going to extend the wing any more than this. It is going to remain a baby wing so that we can focus on the eye rather than a dramatic winged eyeliner. Now I'm going to simply curl my lashes. So remember to curl your lashes very gently, you don't need to be too harsh with it. That's it, and this eye. Always be very gentle with this eyelash curler because accidents might happen, and also you don't want to be too rough with your eyelashes. They might break easily, so it's better to be always gentle with these. So now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. It is a very good drugstore mascara. Its performance is on par with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. in less than half the price. So this is my currently favorite drugstore mascara. It's also waterproof, so it stays for a long time. So this is the finished eye look, guys. So now I'm going to dust the powder off, apply lipstick, lip gloss and blush, and then I'm going to show you the final look. This is the finished look. For my lipstick, I have used the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Daringly Nude, and for the lip gloss I have used the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Dear Me. So I'm going to link all the products in the description, as I have already mentioned. So yes, this is a soft glam look using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette.